Thanks for tuning in to this specific video. The title's not going to be too interesting. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who's been subscribing to the channel. I know it's only 100 subscribers, but that's still a milestone that I believe I should be acknowledging. You know, thank you for tuning in, and thank you for subscribing, hitting that subscribe button. And I'm new at this. I'm still working. I'm still learning, still getting a hang of the whole YouTube videos, editing. This is new to me. All this editing, and even working on the bike. I'm just grateful and thankful that you guys are enjoying my content and you guys are tuning into my videos. And just wanted to say thank you for subscribing, and thank you for the first 100. Let's see how many more people I can get to subscribe to my channel. And just thank you in general. I'm out here enjoying the weather and just riding, listening to some tunes, and just wanted to say thanks and thank you. Alright, thank you, 100 subscribers. Woo! Yes. Later.